What is prime number? Prime numbers are those numbers which cannot be divided by any other numbers except itself or 1. This type of number we call prime numbers. For example, 2 is a prime number. Note that 1 is not a prime number. If we list the prime number, it will begin from 2. 2 is the first prime number. We can divide 2 by 2. We can divide 2 by 1. We can divide it by itself and by 1 and not any other numbers. This is a prime number. 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, 11 is a prime number. If you are told that you have to write a prime number and this should be a even number, then you must write 2. 2 is the only even prime number and rest all prime numbers are odd because any even number can be divided by 2. Okay, go listing. 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 83, 89, 97. These are prime numbers. It is better to memorize these numbers. Here I have written the prime numbers from 0 to 100. You can write it more. How can we determine a prime number? If we are given a number, how can we say that if it is prime or not? In that case, you need to check two things. First, check that if it's an even number or not. If it is an even number, then it's obviously not prime except 2. You know 2 is a prime number and no other even number except 2 is prime. Then, if the number is a large number, divide this number by a prime number, one after another, from this list and check that if it is divisible by them. For example, if we write a number 109, you are asked that you need to check this if it's a prime number or not. We will check that if it's even or not. This is not even, so there is a possibility that it can be a prime number. Then we will divide this by prime numbers. 109 divided by 3. This comes 36.33. No integer has come. So we will go to next. 109 divided by 7. Why we skipped 5? Because seeing a number, we can simply say that whether it is divided by 5 or not. If a number ends with 5 or 0, then this is divisible by 5, otherwise it's not. So we didn't use 5 here. We used 7. 109 divided by 7. 15.57. We will divide this by 11. 109 divided by 11 equal to 9.09. We won't proceed further. We will declare that this is a prime number. What factor will determine that how far we will go dividing these things? We have taken the number 109. We will find the square number immediately next to this. The square number immediate next to this is 121, which is 11 square. It's pretty sufficient that we will check its ability to be prime number by dividing it up to 11, and we don't need to go further. So what is the procedure? We will find the square number immediate next to it and we find the number. For example, here we found 11 square. So we will divide it by 3, 7, 5, 11. Try another number. Let's say we are given another number 431. We are asked to check that whether it's prime or not. What is the square number immediately next to this is 441, which is 21 square. So we will check this number by these digits. So let's check. 431 divided by 3, 143.67. So answer is negative. 431 by 7, 61.57, not divisible. 431 divided by 11, 39. 26.18. 431 divided by 13 equals to 33.15. 431 divided by 17, 431 divided by 19. We will check by these. 25.35 and 431 by 19 is 22.68. So we checked 431 by 3, by 5, by 7, by 11, by 13, by 17, by 19. And in each case, we can see that 431 is not divisible by any one of them. And we checked this for the prime numbers before 21. And we found that this is not divisible by any of the prime numbers before 21. That means we will declare 431 as prime number. So both of the examples given in this video are prime numbers.